Hi everyone, I'm Rebecca Virginia, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my first ever Temu haul. Thank you to Temu for sponsoring today's video. I will have the links down below in the description box to all of the items that I show you. I also have a special 30% off coupon code for my viewers. I will also have that in the description box. If you're like me, you might not have heard of Temu until maybe you saw their Super Bowl ad this year. Temu is actually an online marketplace that offers competitively priced products in a huge variety of categories. They have home, health, beauty, furniture, really anything that you could possibly think of, Temu probably has it. Today I'm going to be sharing my top 10 favorite crafting supplies, paper products, and personal care items, and I'm really excited to show you how all of them work. Also, Temu has free shipping and free returns up to 90 days, so let me know in the comments down below if you end up checking them out. Let's jump into the video. Okay, first thing that I am seeing here, some scrapbooking paper, I believe. Let's open it up and kind of take a closer look. I think I ordered a lot of this. Honestly, I don't even remember, but I'm very excited. This is so pretty. I love it. I'm trying to remember how much it was. I want to say like $3. And look at all of this scrapbooking paper. This would have been amazing for Valentine's Day. So many super cute, shabby chic DIYs with this. Oh my gosh, I am bummed that I did not get this before Valentine's Day. I am definitely gonna use it next year for Valentine's Day. That's so pretty. Okay, next up, I do remember ordering this. These are some solar lights. Curious how these are gonna work. I'm definitely gonna put them in my backyard. I have quite a few from IKEA that were like $12, I wanna say. And I'll put how much this was up on the screen, but I think it was less. Let me open it. IKEA ones, you pop this in. Hi, puppy. Here's my dog. You just pop this in. That's the stake. Then you'll stake that in, and then this is your solar piece. Yep, you'll just like, all right, well, I'll figure it out. There you go. You pop that, and then you put these around like the lights and whatnot. Very excited. Let's see how these turn out. I will include a video of them outside. This is so pretty. It's like all oceany. Okay, this is gonna be so cute to use. I'm gonna use it on a summer DIY. I have no idea what, but look how nautical that is with all the little nautical shapes, the whale, the fish. Okay, I'm excited now. I will be using this for sure. Okay, next up I have paintbrushes. So these are pretty nice. I don't know if you can tell, but they're definitely that like detailed type of a paintbrush. Okay, always can use new paintbrushes. If I remember correctly, these were not that expensive, but again, I'll put the pricing up on the screen. More scrapbooking paper. I think this one is very spring. I'm gonna be doing some more spring videos, so I think I'm gonna use this in some of them. Very shabby chic. You could really use it throughout the year, but I really like all the flowers, so I think this will be nice for the spring. I'm very happy with this scrapbooking paper. Very, very impressed. Okay, another thing, kind of like the scrapbooking paper that I got quite a good amount of, are flower stickers. So I saw that they had flower stickers. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. Oh my goodness. These are gorgeous. I absolutely love these. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys can see them. They're so pretty, and you get so many. I think it said online how many pieces were in it. I'm not seeing that here. Well, it's in another language, so I can't actually read it here. But wow, you get a ton of stickers. And these. Next, I got a selfie stick tripod. Okay, so this, okay, that's where you put the phone. This, wow, that really pulls out. I don't know if I'd use this. I was just thinking like when I do, you know, my videoing, maybe that would steady my hand a little bit. And then also it can like stand. So pretty cool. I had one of these from Amazon and I think it was $18. So this one was less expensive. And honestly, it looks identical. Okay, interesting because it's in very different packaging, but we have some more of those stickers. So this time, very, very pretty, but less stickers. Actually, maybe not. No, less stickers than I got before. But so pretty, oh my gosh. You have got to purchase from Temu just for these stickers. They're so pretty. I cannot wait to use them in mail, in my Etsy orders. If you guys don't know, I will have it linked down below, my Etsy shop. I have lots of items for sale right now. And I always write little thank you cards to my customers, and I like to include little, you know, stickers and whatnot. So that'll be really fun to include in my stickers for my customers. This is seriously so much fun. I know some people say the shipping can take a little bit of time from Temu since it is coming from China, but I mean, you kind of forget what you ordered, so that's nice. It's like a surprise. I have no clue what this is. Oh, okay, I do, I remember. Okay, so this is a travel mirror. Don't want to blind you guys with it. This I picked up not for craft purposes, just for my own. I have to travel in a little bit and it's with my girlfriends. And when you're with a bunch of girls on a trip, there is never enough mirror for everyone when getting ready. So I thought this would be a really nice travel mirror. So that is why I got that. I forgot, I also purchased this. I made some purchases that were not exactly crafting, but you know, makeup is kind of like a DIY on your face. You know, you're painting on your face. So let's open these up. And these are smaller than my current makeup brushes, so I thought they'd be good for travel. I'll have to let you guys know, I actually have a trip coming up, so I think I'm gonna use these and try them out. They feel really nice. I am gonna wash them before I use them just because I don't know, you know, if there's any dyes or anything on here. So I am gonna wash them, so hopefully all the bristles don't fall out when I wash them. Washi tape. I picked up a good amount of washi tape. Let's open these guys up first. I actually think the packaging they come in is really cute. So here are my washi tape rolls. You don't get a ton, you know, you can see how thick it is, but you get a good variety of some different shapes and little different, color tones. I really like this. It was a good price too. So again, you're not getting a ton. You can see the thickness of it, but for the price, I think it's a pretty good deal. Okay, and next I got this little measuring tape. Let's open it up. Yes, okay, I couldn't figure out online if it was in inches or not, but it is. I mean, you have centimeters on the back, but I was scared it wouldn't have inches at all, but it does. This is gonna be so great for crafting, for measuring out products. How many times can I say excited, right, in a video? But I'm really excited for these. I need to think of new words. Okay, the reason why I'm excited for these, I use my Cricut constantly. I don't always put it in videos because I know some people get upset if you do too much Cricut stuff, but I really love Cricut. I definitely probably use my maker every other day because a lot of my stuff on Etsy, really all my stuff almost on Etsy, is using my Cricut. And these are little wheels. So I am gonna put this on the bottom of my Cricut maker so that instead of picking it up and pulling it out every time, I can just kind of see, I could just wheel them. So I'm very excited about that. I think that's gonna make my life so much easier. Okay, these are random, and this was just like a personal item. These are things that, I mean, you can put it on your lotion too. That's really for toothpaste, to get out like every last inch of your toothpaste. I seriously have always wanted one of these things, but it seemed honestly like a waste of money. I was like, do I really need this? Can I just squeeze out my toothpaste? But I saw it on the site. I was already placing an order, so I put add to cart. And I actually don't even think I realized that you got 2 of them, but that's awesome. I'll do one in the guest bathroom and one in mine. We are back at the crafting paper again. I'm very happy to report I did get all different kinds of paper. This paper is a lot of butterflies. We have some birds, very nice, even a teacup. Ooh, the insects are a little bit spooky. I kind of like that. That could be something for Halloween, very apothecary looking. So I will add that to my collection. All right, I think this is the item I am most excited about. These are the most gorgeous little scissors. So where I live, there is a little tea house near me where you can go for like your afternoon tea, and they have the most adorable eclectic tea sets and teacups, and I absolutely love it. And oh my goodness, these are so pretty. So they have these at the tea house, and I know you can buy them on Amazon, but they're a little bit pricier. They are a crane, a bird, and they're scissors, and they're gorgeous. I'm so excited. Like, oh, look at that. Favorite item alert. We got some more washi tape, this time instead of those pinks. We got some blues, very pretty. Great to add to the collection. And when I am packaging up Etsy orders, I like to do stickers and pretty tape, so that will be perfect. Oh, this I was very excited about. It's a security stamp. I saw someone else doing a Temu haul and they got this, and I was very intrigued. Since I do Etsy, sometimes I will reuse packages that I have, like Amazon, and this basically, let's see. Awesome. It will, okay, pretend this was my address and I don't want people to know it. You can't see nothing. Very excited. That's gonna go in the drawer. You know, everyone's got that drawer, right? In their kitchen with the pens and the tape and the random stuff. So this is going in that. Okay, I couldn't decide on the little roller wheels, so I got 2 sets. Also for my Cricut, if I don't wanna use those other wheels, these are pink and kind of match my craft room a little better. You would just adhere this to the bottom of the Cricut and then same exact thing. So I might go with these just because they're pink and my craft room is kind of like pink themed. And I might use the silver ones on maybe my heat machine or something. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Couldn't help it, we got some more stickers. These are adorable. Oh, I really like these. You are the light of the world. Hello, sunshine. Really, really like these. Oh, I love that one. Very pretty, very happy with these. The stickers are one of the biggest wins. The stickers and the scissors, in my opinion. Wow, these feel real. They wrap those very nicely. Oh my goodness. Wow, I thought these were just gonna be fake flowers, but these legit feel like a tulip. That is really neat. Okay, I'm adding this to my best of. These are really, really nice fake flowers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget that all of the items that I showed in today's video are linked down below, as well as that 30% off coupon code. Temu has free shipping and free returns, so let me know in the comments down below if you decide on purchasing from Temu. Until next time, keep searching, keep creating.